I am Shashank Duty, digital marketing consultant and expert, and today I am here to give you an overview of what is digital marketing, components of digital marketing, how can you leverage your business using digital marketing, scope of career in digital marketing, and much more. So let's get started. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing, also known as online marketing or internet marketing, is marketing your product or service using digital channels. Channels such as social media, internet, emails, web applications, websites, and similar other channels. Let me give you a quick example. Suppose you are watching a video on YouTube and you come across a Flipkart Big Billion Day Sale ad. After watching the ad, you visit Flipkart website and make a purchase over there. This is how Flipkart managed to target their audience using a digital platform like YouTube. Now, let's understand the difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing. The end goal of traditional marketing and digital marketing is one and the same. Both try to promote a product or service of a particular company. In traditional marketing, traditional ways are used to promote a product or service of a particular company, such as publishing an ad in newspapers, magazines, distributing pamphlets, and similar other ways. But these methods of traditional marketing work well for medium to large scale enterprises because a huge amount is incorporated in promoting the product or service of a particular company. Digital marketing has made it easier for small to mid scale enterprises to promote their product or service without in a cost effective manner. Let's understand this with an example. Say you own a restaurant in Kalyani Nagar and you wish to promote your restaurant in Kalyani Nagar. And if you plan to publish an ad in newspaper, you might end up spending a huge amount. If you use digital marketing to promote your restaurant, you can spend around 300 to 500 rupees per day and reaching the target audience in Kalyani Nagar in a cost effective manner. This is how you can use digital marketing to promote your product or service. Why do we need to focus on digital marketing? With digital marketing, target audience can be reached in a cost-effective and measurable way. Other benefits of digital marketing include increasing brand loyalty and ultimately online sales. Marketing methods can be used for almost all segments of a business, right from IT services, real estate, e-commerce, and much more. According to the Boston Consulting Group research, almost 85% of Indians will have access to high-speed internet by 2023, and that's huge. This will help to leverage businesses of all segments to grow their brand exponentially using digital marketing. According to the Facebook Audience Insight, Facebook has 250 to 300 users in India, and the count is growing exponentially. Similarly, YouTube has 265 million users in India. If we combine the total audience of Facebook and YouTube, the overall count comes up to be 500 million users in India, and that's huge. Let's understand the primary components of digital marketing. Search engine marketing refers to running paid or sponsored ads across search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo, and much more. These ads appear at the top, bottom, and side of search engine results pages. These ads are catered based on user search queries. Search engine optimization or SEO is the process of optimizing your content or related things on your website so that your web pages appear on the top position of search engine result pages. The best thing of search engine optimization is free. Display marketing. Display marketing is a form of digital marketing wherein you try to convey your message in the form of image, graphic, or animation. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is a form of digital marketing using the social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and similar other social platforms. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing wherein you get a commission for promoting a product or service of a particular company. To do affiliate marketing, you don't need to have your own product. You can join affiliate program of a particular company and promote their product or service on your website and get commission. Email marketing. Email marketing is referred as marketing, sending and marketing emails to your contact list and getting followers. These are some of the primary components of digital marketing. Here, I would like to share you a case study of Amazon India, the Great Indian Freedom Sale. This e-commerce brand went up using good digital marketing strategies and good ads and using them wisely over social media platforms. Amazon India, the Great Indian Freedom Sale, organized a contest which included fan activities and the contestants got shopping vouchers. The campaign was named as Das Ke Baad Karenge. This campaign helped to push the audience their shopping plans on 10th of August. The end results the ad Amazon got is increased user interaction, increased website traffic, and ultimately sale. This is how one should plan their digital marketing campaign, and it should correlate with the target audience and their needs. Now let's see what is the career scope in digital marketing. Here I would like to show you a newspaper cutout which says demand exceeds supply for jobs in digital marketing. There are more than 32k jobs on Naukri.com, 1k jobs on Monster.com, 43k jobs on Shine.com, 7k jobs on Indeed, and 45k jobs on Times Job. If you combine the total count of all the major job portals in India, the total count comes out to be 140k jobs in India just for digital marketing. Now, what are the skill sets required to be a successful digital marketer? Marketing is not about pitching to your customers, it's about communicating with the individuals. It's about understanding what resonates best with them and delivering value according to that. Digital marketing is no different. It's the dialogue which happens over the electronic platform. Here I would list down certain skill sets that an individual must possess to be a successful digital marketer. Creativity, curiosity, good analytical and technical mindset, good copywriting skill, and continuous learner. These are some of the basic or few key skill sets one must possess to be a good digital marketer. After hearing to my video, some of you might be having a question in your mind that coding knowledge is essential to get into a digital marketing. For this, my answer is no. You can get into digital marketing irrespective of your education background. But yes, anyone having a coding knowledge has an upper hand in digital marketing. This is all for this video. I will see you in my next video wherein I will take a deep dive into search engine optimization or SEO and try to understand how can you increase profile visibility on LinkedIn and other major job portal platforms. Till then, take care and keep learning.